the landing begins. To be honest, it's actually quite tricky to fly a drone. Alright, go forward, sir. Hey guys, I'm just currently at Lake Eildon at the moment. I'm just about to move out the shot so you guys can see the lake behind me. And yeah, pretty much, yeah, it's pretty much a good scenery. I'll take some good shots for you guys. If you are interested in doing a lot of, hey, what do they call it? Boat driving? Ski driving?
Ski driving, I like that.
We'll call it boat driving at the moment until I find the actual term. So pretty much, yeah, there's a lake over there. And yeah, we'll take some good shots. If you are interested in doing a lot of boat driving, this is the place to be. Tricky to fly a drone. Maybe because I'm not used to the controls. Oh, will he make it? $11:45 at the moment. Out in the maze for about maybe 2 hours. We're just chilling out here at the moment, and I don't know, I just feel like an ice ball. Hey guys, how's it going? So I just received a bit of a book actually, The Journey to the Maze. It's actually, I guess, goes through the history of it. So we're gonna have a look through right now. We'll see what you guys think. Wow, okay. So the journey began October 2003. This is pretty much a barren landscape. And pretty much, I guess they built it up from scratch. And yeah, I can see it. I'm just amazed how they're able to create all this over time. And as you can see in my vlogs, which you guys will see in a sec, you can see some of the amazing work and some of the art designs as well. They've really put in a lot of creativity to this place. So if you ever come to this place, look at this, guys. Just look at that. Autumn leaves. Love to come back to this place in autumn to see this. And it's also a great place to get married. So if you guys want to get married here, do so ASAP. Alright, kind of here at the stream. I don't know what stream this is. We'll call it the Golf Bay stream. I think my bro is actually gonna go in with this guy. The crazy guy to the right, yep, that's him. And I've lost him on camera. That's why he's going too far out. Anyway, as you can see, there's a stream right in front of me. So today's weather is 29 degrees. Well, hello to all my viewers. Welcome, my hello shirt. Anyway, we're doing charades today, and the topic is musical instrument. Pretty much, phone thing on my head says a musical instrument, and these guys have to really describe it to me, and I have to say what the musical instrument is. Violin, cello, abacus. Oh, clarinet. Nah, the trumpet.
No idea.
Pass.
What is bassoma?
Oh, the clang. It's the cymbals.
Yes.
Oh, the bongos.
Yes. It's like a clarinet, but it's very small.
Oh, it's a fiddle.
No, it's still
Oh,
clarinet.
it's a flute.
It's smaller than a flute.
Oh, it's an accordion.
Higher sound.
Recorder.
No.
No.
It's
That
that.
path.
No, it's called piccolo.
String cello.
No. The second one. So you got violin, you got cello.
Fiddle.
You need the second one, the middle one.
What's the second one?
You don't know the quartet's instruments? Oh my god.
Oh, shucks.
Pass it.
Violo.
Oh, violin.
Don't say it. Doesn't
Oh,
count.
thanks.
Doesn't count.
Doesn't
Pass.
count. Piano.
What is this?
Tuba is British.
Tuba. Oh, trombone.
No, you gotta. There's two words. You gotta.
Bassoon.
What's the language of Britain?
Britann. Sorry, English.
Yeah. And then what is the
Something
the
like-
tuba
what's this?
instrument?
Oh, tuba. Oboe.
No. It's
And then
more
what
basic.
has? And then number has this, Anna.
Oh, horns.
Yeah. Say the
French horn.
Say no.
French
No.
what?
Say the British word and that word just now.
The British horns.
No.
I'm going past this.
Language
Sorry.
and then the. Oh,